You're watching Local 10, home of Local10.com. WPLG Local 10 News at noon starts now.
Well, on this Valentine's Day, some couples are thinking about expanding their families, but getting pregnant is not always easy. And Local 10's Sasha Andrade spoke to a Margate doctor who focuses on fertility.
So you want a baby. Some women start by tracking their cycle on an app, and then they use ovulation predictors to know when they're most fertile. But what comes so naturally to some is so difficult for so many others.
Do you have babies on the brain?
We tried and tried and tried for about 6 months.
Unfortunately, wanting one and having one don't always go hand in hand. Take it from Tamika Luciano, who lost both of her fallopian tubes while trying to get pregnant.
I had no way to get my eggs, which were A, to my uterus, which was C.
Dr. Marcelo Barrionuevo is her OBGYN and one of the top fertility specialists in South Florida.
So that's changing the whole way that we practice.
He says pregnancy complications are as different as the many women who walk into his office. Some people have cancer, some have oddly shaped uteruses, but by far, the #1 issue with infertility is that dreaded biological clock.
The biggest challenge is the female's age. It's important to make sure that we are not wasting any time. The first goal is...
So let's say you're in your 30s or 40s and are having trouble ovulating. Step 1 is taking oral or injected medication to force ovulation, something like Clomid.
If we do that for 2 to 3 months and things are not working, then it's time to meet again.
Step 2
might be to introduce a treatment called inseminations, which is putting sperm inside the patient's uterus.
Tamika Luciano opted for step 3, in vitro fertilization.
Taking sperm and eggs together, putting them in a petri dish, maybe putting one sperm inside each of the eggs. But that's when science and technology stops.
It worked for this woman who was desperate to become a mother.
We came in for the ultrasound. We saw 2 heartbeats. I mean, it was amazing.
Reporting in Fort Lauderdale, I'm Sasha Andrade. Back to you.